Mama, just making up listener from our mouth that we hear around. Tell us how you be.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Although before my mama died, so she and my daddy have an issue.
Your voice low. Your voice low. Where?
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Talk
Better.
out.
Talk out. Just speak out.
Okay,
Express yourself
sir.
like say we did before you.
Then we would like to also know your name if you don't mind.
Yeah.
No, sir, I would not like to say my name now.
Okay, I know it. Well, don't worry. It's okay.
Yeah.
Fire down.
So before my mama died, she and my daddy had issue. So my mom left the house. So then I noticed that sometimes my mom do come. But after my mom left, so my daddy has to take us to my grandma's place. So we are staying with her. So my mommy do come once in a while to see us. So I remember that time, though we are still very little then, but I remember one time like that, my mom will come and be begging my grandma. So my grandma always tell her that, no, that our son cannot marry somebody like her. You know, like, I don't know, maybe it's infidelity that caused their fight. Then I don't, so it was later I just captured what really happened. So, and my mom will come and go, Sha. So before you know, we heard that she has passed on. So that's how it happened.
Who has passed on?
Story short. Then during the burial.
Hello,
Madam, calm down.
Sir,
Madam, here.
Who don't pass on so?
my mom then.
You say your mom may die. Which year be that?
That was 1992.
1992. And I hear say she don't pass on.
Yes, sir.
Well, from 1992 she passed on. What's up? No cut to the story short, though. You say I want to cut it short. We'll get your time, oh.
Okay, sir. So during the burial, before they bury my mother, they now called me, gave me a coin that I should call her name 3 times. Then the coin, I should write it on her face. Then after doing that, then I said that coin, I should use it to buy something. Then her clothes, I should be wearing it and using a sponge to bathe and other stuff like that. You know, as a small child then now, so I now went to meet my grandma inside. And I said, Grandma, see what they did though, because the coin I show her, that see what they asked me to do. So she was not angry like, God, it's just that it's because she cannot go out that she wouldn't have allowed them to do just. And that's okay, what happened? What is the meaning of that? She said I should not worry. That was what she told me then.
This your grandma. Now she born your mama.
Now my daddy, mama.
Okay, your daddy, mama. So all of them follow go the burial.
Yes, they bury my daddy's compound.
Oh, for your father compound. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
So she now said I should not worry that by God's grace nothing is going to happen. I said okay. Now it's not beginning. So I don't know whether I use the money or I know she will not even let me use the money then, but I can't remember anything again. So as I they grow up now, it reached when I suppose marry or something like that. So the first man I met, because along the line, if issue day between me and him, the next way they talk say me, now my mama life, now me I want to live. I don't know because I never one day sit down, tell him anything about
your mama.
my mother or whatever. So go to my mama life I want to live. This is that say because what you normally do, if you go to the shop, I don't know, it's one of my neighbors that told me, if you go to the shop because you not allow me to work, I go their house. That was my first marriage because I'm a single mother now. So I go their house and my neighbor come tell me one day, say, your husband go come house sometimes. Say he go put air for door, put air for window. I can't say what for now. I can't say, I be say me and man they inside house. So I don't know why reason why he's doing that too. So most of the time, even if I go to church, I say they use phone. Once time when we supposed close, don't go they use phone. They monitor me with phone. No allow me go out, even to go to work, nothing. So issues are they and most of the time it always say use my mama. I don't know what happen. They use and they abuse me. They use and they say what happen to my mama and I go happen to me. No, to cut the story short, that we shall fight so we separate. We separate from the marriage. So after then, that should be like let me say going to 9 years now. Me and him separated. So So since then, any relationship when I enter again, after some time, if they ask me, your mama uncle, because they always they surprised that they always ask me your mama, because I don't know what is happening. They'll ask me about your mother. If I tell them how they die, that she's late, they hear my papa get issue. That's the only thing I can remember. So the next thing, before you know it, if maybe there's any argument, they would tell me, say, maybe you get another boyfriend. And they always they surprised. They say anytime they ask me about my mama, if I tell them, the next thing they will start like thinking otherwise. So that one go. This one where I come there now. This one where I did now, I did surprised. He called me one day. We done there for like few months. He called me one day. He even came to my place. So we don't even talk anything. So as I come discuss him, we almost reach junction. Now he can't ask me. So basically, kill your mama. I can't say you get to a stage. I don't can't even they talk anything again. I said I don't know where to kill. I did very small there, so I don't know. He can't tell me say he see my mama for dream. I say my mama for dream. You know my mother. Now say he can't describe the person where he see for dream. Truly, he described my mother. I did not say anything. I can't say okay what happened because since my mama died. Another one day, upon all the things when they even see my do one day say I see my mama for dream. But my papa went died 5 years ago. Almost every day now they see him for dream. So I just surprised they say me. I know they see my mama for dream. I never one day thought say I see my mama for dream till now. So now this man tell me say he see my mama for dream. The way they describe my mama and the way see my mama tell him they make him do. So I know come like then it is on the.
So what you say what your mama say make him do?
Sir?
What do you tell you say your mama say make him do?
He say my mama tell him say I think they with me now. To make sure say he take care of me. Then I wait till my mama tell him.
Okay.
To make him take care of me. I can't say okay. But along the line, this man can later they change. Into what can they like I get boyfriend, say man they call me all those. He get the time where they say we even have issue. So make I even show my code for my phone. Make I open my phone. As I know green, I say they vex for me. So I just don't know.
Wait, I want to ask one question. That time, man, when your mother died, when they say make you take a coin round her head 3 times, you do all those things.
I did it. Now that's what I'm saying. I did
You do.
You should do them. Okay.
So you bath with the sponge later, and you wear her clothes.
I didn't bet with the sponge, and I didn't wear none of her clothes because my grandma says she will not allow me to do that.
Okay. No verse. Break. I ask you. You feel remember anything where your mama do where people complain about, or where your late father, been complain about?
But you know, say that time we still stay very, very young. So what really caused their fight? I don't know. Now the day where my mother came to, because I was there for my grandma place. The day my mother came to beg, where I come they hear the way my grandma was talking to her that she will not marry, that my son, as in my dad, will not marry her again. Don't be like saying whether now infidelity I cause their
from your mother's side.
Whether now from my mom, I mean now from my dad. But my grandmother too was like telling her, if you don't get husband, now where you run to. You know, all those kind of things. So now, I feel remember that. When
so that means your mama
definitely not from the mother's side.
So I'm gonna leave your husband, your papa take off. Go meet another man.
But now fight. I know they fight. Now make them come. Now wait me. I know they make them come. But I don't know where to cause fight.
Okay,
So
what do you really want from us? You feel say the coin where you take tough for your mama head, then they affect you somehow.
Now waiting at the thing is that too.
Now what they think?
Yes, sir.
But it feel not be true.
Because I did surprise where you say when they ask me your mama uncle.
Okay, sorry, madam. Calm down. You see why I asked that question earlier? Why she do that 3 coin, rounding the head 3 times? I wonder because how they take if you not complete a circle. Are you getting it? So now all of these things they resonate. Like say because the grandma now bought the ritual. midway. So now there, the small spiritual aribos when I do, now let me know, say, now that's points 90 begede so. Then I want to know deeper, madam. Tomorrow even ask the real question, sir. It gets something when be say it costs your mama and your papa bege when it see the show. And I want those people. Now that thing, now in familiar spirit, they carry the show these your people when they date you now.
That kind of thing.
I did tell you. But
anyway,
who I be? I just they use small knowledge when
so you talk say you don't feel remember the kind of life, no vessel where your mama believe where she died alive.
No, sir.
You don't feel remember one.
No, sir.
And you don't know the reason for the ritual when they ask you make you do that day when they want to bury your mama. You don't know the reason.
I don't know the reason. That's why when I go meet my grandma, I ask her waiting go happen. She said, make I know what. I say by God's grace, nothing go happen to me.
Okay.
Now,
How old you there now?
me?
Yeah.
I'm 14 years now.
So since you grow till now, you don't bother to find out what thing that ritual mean. Huh?
In fact, now, if I tell you, say, nah, this relationship when I is in now, because now it just make me just like want to make me even remember. Because nothing is really happening and the way the man is even treating me self. So I don't know.
wait, this
And
relationship.
my
Sorry,
grandma,
madam,
if I
calm down,
answer,
madam.
and none of my mommy people where they close to us because when my mama died, they wanted to share. Some of them want to take some of us. My grandma no agree. So all of them just leave us like that.
Wait, I want to ask you, madam, calm down now.
But I'm married last time.
This person when you deal with so,
Yes, sir.
if you feel all marriage rights for your body,
Husband be your boyfriend.
No, nah, boyfriend.
Okay.
oh, now boyfriend.
So after that, they collabo. It's okay.
How old that your daughter be now? That pick when you born that time, how you be now?
Is it for my first marriage? Abi?
Yes.
My first marriage, my first child is 18 years.
Oh.
My second one is 15 years.
Oh. Okay, you get second one for the second man when
And
you.
the first marriage, man, I born 2 children.
Okay, 2 children. Now you born for that. Okay. And they live with you, Abi?
No, they are with their dad.
Yeah, with their father.
Oga Tombo.
Madam.
What happened be say this relationship when I did now with this man, I don't get issue for him. But now on another case.
Okay, you don't born for him.
Sir, I am born for him.
Okay, madam, wait, so just hold on. Yeah. You thought when you small, when your mama become visitor there. So your grandmother will thought, oh, you don't marry my son again because of if you hear something like blessed infidelity. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So I don't know. It make all of us also to ask one question. It be like say your mama be no to stay for your papa house.
Well, for all I can remember that period, now that time we then fight.
Okay. So this man the way you born for your first marriage, the other one, what did really go wrong? Because a lot of things they play for my head. What did really go wrong?
Okay, like for example, the only thing when they complain because they feel say as I they date them, I get another person again, and I they try to make them say no be like that. I say I no be like that.
They're not going to just feel. They're not going to just they feel like that now.
I'm not be saying they go see. They not see
It
now.
must-
If you see them see now, it be another thing.
All right. Make I ask you one question, madam.
Okay.
Now, first of all, you be woman. You know the think like man. We will be men. Make I ask you from a man angle. Waiting be those things where you they do, where you need they want them to come into your privacy. Like you talk something initially, you say one of them say, may they see your phone. You got to say no. Say why you put password, right? I say from your talk, you talk say at a time your boyfriend or be your husband tell you say I want to see your phone. Why you put password? You not call alarm touch the phone, right?
Yeah, okay. Yes, sir.
All right. What go make a man ever want to see a woman phone? That man not be at once. Maybe over time, you know, they see you, they make some kind move with that phone. Don't they do some kind thing with the phone? Where be say anytime they come, you always want to hide them. That's why he insists, say, I want to see this your phone today. Then why you not give him the phone? Say, take, look, nothing they side. Why you can't hide the phone from him?
Okay, sir. Then you know what? That's why I didn't hide that when I was talking.
No,
You know when because
okay.
me, I'm surprised. They always accuse me, so I can't be surprised when he asked me that day to unlock my phone. I was like, "Wait till you want to see." I can't open them. I didn't show him I can't open them. He said, "No, say make I show him my pin code." I can't say, "I don't open the phone for you. Check him." He said, "No, say one day see." And the reason why, because several times like that, if he come, maybe I go out. If I come, not the position when I meet my phone. Now I go meet my phone.
So wait. Why you not give him the pin so that peace go reign?
Hey, I can't give him. When I can't say the why the way I say it, and I can't show him my code. I can't show him my code.
All right.
I can't show him my code.
Okay, madam, that person just asked that question on Chico. So we'll go open line for our backyard soldiers to advise you find a way out of this. Because from everything we don't talk now, it clear say all these men they always accuse and suspect
something.
They always suspect
Before
you,
Sharply and Tumbo, before our backyard soldiers go enter the matter. Madam, I don't know whether if you send you find where. You be a Tiboroko, you be yellow, Abi, you fine.
I try small.
There must be something. There must be something
send me
where
a
you
picture
do.
for WhatsApp.
Yes.
Send me a picture for
Madam,
WhatsApp.
there must be something where you do.
Something about her.
When they
say,
go down well with all these men.
So my own, why did they always
All of
accuse the suspect?
thank you. All of them cannot just they accuse you for one thing. Get what you too you they do. Wait to you na normal, but to them, to men that they find out suspicious of you.
So Ochais. So what if you know normal? What if I don't know? I don't want the accusing.
Not to her. You know, say somebody if they do something unknowingly. To that person, he is not my grow up with na part of a lifestyle. But to people who care for him, they hurt them.
So what if that are the reason why those elders were do that ritual?
Sir,
That's why she need to watch her ways.
sir, see, it's just that I don't know if I want to even put the English. Me, I'm not the person. I'm not the double date. I don't double date. That is me because my first marriage, especially, I learned a lot. My first marriage, I learned a lot because if not be the person who I even suppose even make I say now me and him suppose even day. I leave that one come to the man when I marry. I'm not the double date, and once I don't date with you, I don't date with you. That is the truth. I not do that. And why this my marriage and when this man don't they accuse me of that, which I not do. So I did very, very conscious of what I'm doing.
Okay, so not double dating, but hold on. One time okay, but not double dating, and then because you don't want wahala and all of that, you don't move from how many men now, and you don't bought for how many men. You don't think there's something there wrong somewhere. You don't know.
I don't know whether that one because I don't understand again.
Okay, don't worry. We'll talk to you later. We'll enter market. They won't show back. Our market soldiers will put them out. Said if you take help out, then we'll call you back before the show end. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma. But the wise man was Zobia. Yes, there is spiritual things she should have completed. What if people around her that is telling her husband about her family story? She should go back to the village and ask questions. Meg from Aja, good morning, our backyard. My name is Alex. The woman need to go back to the village, ask the reason for the rituals, then she go fit know her way forward. For my place, now ritual cleansing, then they take finish such thing. Simple.
Things like this, it gets a whole lot of sides.
Yeah.
I they tell you. But basic thing is, make we not dey take our tradition and culture
For
dey play.
chance.
I they tell you. Because we see now the spiritual now they governs the physical. Spiritual configuration and they come from different patterns, but everything they submit to the Almighty force. When they call God, Almighty God. Are you getting it? So everybody get their own pattern. You own have to find your own to, the Almighty. That's why when they talk about brainwashing, when they talk about people, taking us for now the way you want your own to be, now it go be. Me, on a personal note, I feel say this woman not complete a circle of rights.
Not completely, yeah.
And that's they haunt him so. And when they talk about familiar spirit like this, you get some kind demonic forces, Rabasana.
Oh, it's all right.
When we say they go carry, once they see that negative thing about a human being, when not completed, now those kind of things now they thrive on. Now those things now they go represent those stuff to those people when they marry this lady or when they befriend the lady, so that their own now because now evil, now be their pattern. Now then they go show the bromide off the mama to those people then. Who I be? I just talk this morning when I know be that.
Yeah.
So, but like we talk, we'll reach out to her, and if he pass our level, then of course we'll direct her to the right places as well.
Charles, I want to hear your talk before knockouts.
I could just say me that woman just go back to her own drawing board, watch her own life critically, adjust her ways, then move forward, then make her life clean. Because she too, she not talk aside.
Not talk.
She talk little or nothing of her side.
See, all of us get roots. All of us get where they come from. So we could not always undermine, according to a woman, they look down on things. Tradition very important. But so, madam, matter is small. You will need to go back, arrange yourself, go back village to find out, first of all, to understand the meaning of that ritual and why they ask you to drive because of, say, your mama don't die. You need to understand all of these things so that if we help you find, solution to all of this. And to all those who go through the same thing, to where don't feed you the same thing, they don't do finish. It already do.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.